Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use advanced math functions in Java. And the advanced math the advanced math method I'm talking about are power function, square roots, max, minimum, ceiling, floor, random, and absolute value functions. Alright, let's get started. In order to use those functions, we gotta import a library. Without a library, then we can't use those functions. And it'll cause an error saying that you need a class for those functions, which we really don't want. Instead, let's add a library. And the following syntax are import java.lang dot capitalize the M in math. And that's the library that we want to import. Oh, now let's have a variable. Let's have byte for our data type and name the variable b. Oh yeah, make sure you have this and byte in parentheses too, because without it, it will cause an error saying loss of precision, because those methods are meant for double data types. In order to bypass those errors, just simply type in the parentheses and a data type inside it. Yeah, inside of it. And next, you type in math dot pow, meaning power function. And let's do 9 2. And basically, we're doing 9 square. If I change this, then it will be 9 cube, and then this will be 9 to the fourth power, etc. So that's how you do it for the math power function. And let's output our line so we know that we get the we we created our syntax in the correct method. Java C, no errors. That's pretty good. Java 81. 9 square is 81, and we got it right. Alright, next one, let's do. Well, let me show you without this byte function, it will cause an error. See, possible loss of precision. And it says this method is meant for double, and this is like byte is required to put in a parentheses format that I had before. So byte, and that's how you do it. Next one on the list is square root. Uh, this following syntax is square root like this. And let's find the square root of 81. So Java C, no errors, 9. We got it right. Let's say if it's not an even number, or not an even number, like a number like this, it's kind of hard to difficult. Yeah, it's kind of difficult to get a square root of this. So let's save that. Clear screen. Java C and Java 9, and that's not right because we want the decimal format for square root of 82. So in order to do that, we have to make this a double. And let's do this now. Alright, that's the correct function right here, or not function, correct answer for this right here. If you want to find a square root of 82, then this will be good to use. Alright, next one on the list is the max function. And let's use byte for this again. Byte. It's max right here. Alright, so basically, whatever you type in, it will find the max function will find the maximum value that you entered for let's keep it B actually. I don't know why I changed it to max. Yeah. Yeah, max function, whatever you type in, and it'll look for the highest value that you enter for this right here. And the answer will be 127. And let's do Java C. Uh, I got an error. Oh yeah, I forgot. Make sure you have your byte. Alright, Java 127. Okay, that's good now. Alright, now let's do minimum. And we'll find the minimum, and the minimum should be 82. Let's do Java C, Java 82. Alright, that's correct. Now let's use the ceiling method right here. Well, I don't know if it's really ceiling, but it's close to ceiling. I say, yeah, I just call it ceiling. And let's make this double, because basically ceil, or yeah, something like that, will round up to the nearest whole number. But I'll be explaining more later, though. So basically, whatever you have for like, if you have like 1.001, it'll round to the highest whole number, which will be 2. If you have a number, like if you have one number right here above just one, the whole integer, then it will round up to the nearest high number, which is 2. And I'll be compiling this, and yeah, it's 2. And it's kind of funky right here. Well, I don't think, yeah, you don't have to have a double actually. You can have a byte too. And make sure you have a byte here, and this will work. It's 2. Alright, that's good. Our next method is, yeah, floor. Alright, let's do 199. Alright, so basically, floor, whatever you have, like 1.99, for the whole number, if you have the whole number 1, and this, well, it doesn't matter what you have for this. If it's 99, it'll still be 1, because it'll look at the integer right here. It'll be 1 no matter what. If you had another integer like 100, then it'll be 100. So basically, yeah, it doesn't matter if you have this right here. And it's more useful if you use scanner input, which I'll be showing you how to use it later on. Save this. Java C. No errors. Java. It's 1. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, now let's do random method right here. Alright. So basically, we'll find a random number. And I'll show you with only this function right here, because you need to add more stuff in order to get outside the decimals, or yeah. Save that. Let's clear screen first, actually. Java C, Java. It'll be 0, which we really don't want. Let's run again. It'll be 0 again. Yeah, we don't want that. Alright, let's use the pandas function right here. Let's do another parentheses here, another parentheses here, and let's do times 100. So we can get outside the zeros. Okay, let's compile that. Oh yeah, make sure you don't forget about the semicolon. Alright, clear screen. Oops, I didn't mean to press that. Alright, 41, let's run again. 64, let's run that again. 84, 77, 3, 54, etc. Alright, let's see if I add function 1. Just for fun of it. Let's add 1. Oh yeah, make sure possible loss of precision. Oh yeah, let's do short because we bypassed the limit. Oh, Let me press that. Java C. Okay. Short possible loss of precision. Again, let's do int now. Uh, int. Alright, well, yeah, somehow I think it bypassed that 32,000 limit, and int will work for that. So, +1. Um, let's see what the outputs. 17. Well, I really didn't see any difference with the int. To save memory. Wait, did this stop? Oh, no, I didn't stop. Yeah, to save memory, let's delete one and use byte instead. Because once you're into programming games, it'll be nice to have your data type as low as possible. Because I really don't see any difference right there. 21, 3, 49, 68. Wait, I think I see why we need that. Wait. It's all random numbers, but you get an idea. If you want to add one, then add one. It's up to your preference, though. It's up to your perspective, actually. Alright, well, the next one is absolute values. Let's delete that. And the function for that is absolute. And let's have 5 minus 100. It'll be negative 95, but since we're doing absolute value, then we should get a positive 95 instead. Let's clear screen. Java C, no errors. Alright, it's 95. Let's see. And that's how you do it. And yeah, well, from the next tutorial, I'll be teaching you more about this function with scanners and the assignment operators that I'll be teaching you guys how to use.